Do your eyes feel heavy, dry, or blurry after just 2 hours of work? You aren't just tired. You are suffering from computer vision syndrome. Your eyes are literally muscles, and by staring at a fixed distance for hours, you are causing those muscles to lock in place. This triggers a stress response in your brain, leading to headaches and a massive drop in focus. Research from the American Academy of Ophthalmology shows that we blink 60% less when looking at screens. This dries out the cornea and starves the eye of oxygen. But more importantly, it tricks your nervous system into staying in high alert mode. Your brain can't relax because your eyes are locked in a visual tunnel. To reverse the damage, use the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. This forces your ciliary muscles to relax and resets your internal focus. Pair this with palming, covering your eyes with your warm palms for 30 seconds to block all light. You're not just resting, you're rebooting your visual cortex. Protect your vision, protect your focus. Subscribe to the Ageless Brain Lab for more daily brain hacks. Stay sharp.